Alright, I just wanted to fire her up one last time before I take her all back apart and go ahead and do the body work. And it's kind of sad because she was alive, but I'm sure she's going to enjoy getting a makeover and a nice paint job. So here we go. So we can get her to come to life. Oh, she sounds vicious. She's just raring to go. But we're just gonna have to tear her apart and start working on the body work. This will be going to the next phase.
Katy Camaro is alive. Do not disassemble.
Alright, gonna start disassembling the Camaro so we can get her ready for paint. Before I pull the windows and window regulators out, I just wanted to play around with the windows a little bit more. Yeah. All the way up, all the way down. And this way. That's pretty cool. Of course, I got new trim pieces and the new felt things. After it's painted, we'll put all that on, and it'll make it the window go up straight, seal up to the weather stripping and all that. So, but for now, we got to get it all tore down. We don't want to get paint and dust and all that all over everything. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing this apart. Alright, I got the Camaro in here on the lift and getting ready to kind of strip it down for doing our body work and getting her painted. I figure I'm gonna drop the tranny first, pull the exhaust, pull the motor out, radiator, wiring harnesses, and yeah, pull her back into the other shop and start doing little odds and ends. Where we put this little bit of quarter panel patch here. Got little spots where we had to patch the deck lid. And then of course this quarter over here is going to need a little bit of filler. Hopefully that'll turn out good. And get our front end aligned better, get our gaps right, get the doors set right. Then we can go ahead and see if we can get some paint on her. Well, we got our tranny out, exhaust, drive shaft, everything pulled out of the bottom. So now I want to go ahead and get this bad boy out of here, and then we'll go ahead and take the radiator out so we don't damage it. Of course, it needs to come out anyways, do all the paint and body work. Take the master cylinder off and booster, wiper motor, everything stripped down. Gonna leave the hood hinges on because I still got to align this front end, and that takes a lot of fiddling around back and forth and adjusting to get all your gaps right on the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and get this motor out of here so we can proceed to do a whole lot of body work. As you can see, we got her stripped down completely. Headlights, taillights, all the interior stuff. So we're ready to start doing some sanding and a little bit of body filler, panel alignment, and gonna go ahead and probably spend quite a bit of time getting her looking really good so we can put it all back together again. So that'll be in our next video. Stay tuned for that.